Yes, so class, let us go to question number 3 now. The question number 3 says, identify the term which contains b in the following expression. Also write the coefficients of b in each of the following. Okay, so I have tried to solve two questions and I have given two questions as a homework. Okay, so let me explain these two questions. So what are the two questions? They are 9b cube a and 6ab. You have to identify the term that contains b. Okay, where is b? B is here, right? B is present in this term as well as b is present in this term. Okay, so terms containing b are 9b cube and minus 6ab. Correct? Now second part of the question says coefficient of b in the terms. Now you have to find the coefficient, that means the numbers which contains b, the number which contains b. Okay, so coefficients of b in the term 9b cube. 9b cube will be, so what is the coefficient? What is the number with the b cube? It is 9. Clear? Now let us find the coefficient of the second term. Okay, so coefficient of b in the term minus 6ab will be minus 6. Correct? Let us switch to question b. So what is the question b? 1 plus b square. Okay, now first you find the terms that contains b. So terms containing b are b and b square itself. Okay, both of these two terms are having b and one does not have b. Okay, now you have to find the coefficient of b in the term. So in this term, what is the coefficient of b? So along with this b, we have no number here, right? So it does not mean it is 0. Okay, it is always 1. So along with this b, the coefficient is 1. Correct? Now, along with this b square also, no number is there. That means it has 1. So coefficient of b in the term b square is again 1. Okay? So this is a simple explanation. Okay? So similarly, you can try C and D at home. Okay? Please try. You will get the answer. That's for sure. Okay? So this completes the exercise 5.1. Okay? Now let us switch to the next exercise 5.2. Okay, class. I have written exercise 5.2. I have written few questions in the board. Okay, not few questions, almost maximum of 2 questions. Okay, so the question says you have to classify the following pairs of algebraic expression in terms into like terms and unlike terms. Okay, now what do you mean by like and unlike terms? Yeah, like term means the coefficient. Sorry, not the coefficients. The variable must appear same. See, both of the variables are x and x are. It is same, right? So it is called like term. Okay, here you see you have AB and here you have B only. A is not here, right? So this is unlike term. Clear? Now you look here, xy square, same or not? You forget about the numbers, okay? You forget about the numbers. We are just comparing the variables. So our variables here is xy square, same, right? So this is like term. So similarly we can proceed, okay? So let me solve. So both of them are having x and x, right? They are same. So we will write like terms. Okay? Here I have AB, here I have B. A is not here, right? So this is unlike terms. Okay? Now number 3, xy square, xy square. Same, right? So this is like term. Here xy, but here I have xy square, right? Yes or no? So this is also unlike term, because one here we have y 2 times, but here we have y 1 time, so they are not same. So it is unlike term. Am I clear? Now let us see here. See, AB square, same, right? So this is like term. Okay? Here AB, here also AB, same, right? So this is also called like term. Okay? Now you check this, x square, y square, x square, same, right? They have been just reversed. Okay? They have been just reversed, but they are same because they have x square, y square. Here also you have x square, y square. They are same, so it is called like term. Okay? Now let us see this one. You have here ABC, you have here XYZ. Obviously they are not same, so unlike term. I hope this is understandable to you all. Okay, I have done question 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12. In the middle you have 5, 6, 7, 8. Please try to solve the remaining 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this is the complete explanation of the few questions that is present in exercise 5.2. Okay, so try to understand and write and do the homeworks. Okay, from question number 5 Till 4 I have done. 5, 6, 7, 8 you will do. 9, 10, 11, 12 is here. Is that clear? Now we will switch to next exercise, exercise 5.3. Now let us see the first question in exercise 5.3. What does the question says? The question says, write the degree of the following algebraic expression. We have to write the degree of the following algebraic expression. Okay, so let us see the first question. The first question is question number 1a. The question is 7x to the power 8 plus 12x to the power 9 plus 13x to the power 11 plus x. Okay, so here you have to find the degree. Okay, so how do we find the degree and what does degree means? Okay, so first you find all of the terms have coefficient and variable x, 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 x. Now what is the highest number here? The highest number is 13, right? The highest number is 13. Yes or no? And with the 13 we have the variable x. Okay, and it has the highest power also 11. Correct? So power with the highest number is called degree. Okay, so the highest power is 11 and the highest number is 13, right? So you write here degree. In this question the degree is 11. Correct? I hope this is understood. Let me show you another question. It will be minus 24 a to the power 7 plus 32 a to the power 5 minus 25a plus 146 a to the power 8. Okay, now here you see a is everywhere present. In each term you have a here. Correct? Now in each term you have a here. Now what is the highest number? The highest number is 146. 146. Now you check whether a has the highest power or not here. A has 8. A power is 1, A power is 5, A power is 7. So highest power is here, right? So that will determine the degree of A. Okay? So the degree will be 8. Am I clear? Let us see another question, number C. Question number C, you have 4y cubed plus 16x square y square plus 3xy. Okay, so here first, what is our aim? Our aim is to judge which is the highest number. Okay, the highest number is 16. Correct? Yes or no? And all the other remaining has, here we have y cube, but here we don't have x. Here we have xy, but the powers are 1 and 1. So it is 2, right? So the highest power is 16. And how many powers we have? We have here square, we have here square, right? So you add them. When you add them, you will get how much power? 4. Okay, and that is your degree. Because 16 is highest and it has 2x square and then it has y square also. So both the powers you add them, so 2 and 2 will become 4, right? So this will determine your degree. Okay, so your degree is 4 here. So number D, you try yourself. Okay, number D, you try yourself. I will show you number E. Okay, so the number E is 3xyz plus 3xy square z minus xy minus 200. Okay, so what is the degree here? First you tell me which is the highest number. The highest number is 200, right? But 200 does not has x and y. 200 does not has any variable, right? So we cannot take 200. Okay, now what is the next highest number? Everywhere you see it is 3, but here we have 1. We cannot take this also. This is not highest, correct? So this is the highest number, right? Yes or no? This is the highest and the bigger number, right? And it has how many power? You see x has power 1, y has power 2, and z has power 1. So you add them. Here you have 1, here you have 2, here you have 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 will give you 4, right? So this is the highest number and it will also give you the highest power, that is 4. Okay? So your degree will be 4. Okay, and so this is the solution. Number D, you will try at home as homework and you tell me whatever the answer you are getting. Okay, Now let us switch to the next question. Okay, now let us switch to the next question, question 2. What does question number 2 says? The question number 2 says classify the following algebraic expressions into monomial, binomials and trinomials. Now you have to understand what do you mean by monomial, okay? What do you mean by binomial and what do you mean by trinomial, okay? Monomial means what? Single, one. Binomial means what? Pair, two. Trinomial means what? Thrice, three, okay? Now what it refers in algebraic expressions, okay? In terms of expression, monomial means consisting of only one term, okay? Monomial means whichever consists of one term. Now let us find in this question how many monomials we have, okay? See the first question, no, 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 this is also no. So this one, right? Here we have consist only one term. So question number E is your monomial, okay? monomial, monomial, correct? Now what is binomial? Binomial means two terms, okay? So it must consist of two terms. Let us check it out. So here it is no, no. So it has two terms, yes or no? One term and this is one term, two terms, right? So this is your binomial, okay? This is your binomial, correct? Now what does trinomial means? Trinomial means consisting of three terms, okay? Let us check. 1, 2, 3. So this is your trinomial, okay? Again 1, 2, 3. So this is also again trinomial. This is binomial. Now here also you have 1, 2, 3. Three terms, right? So this is again trinomial, okay? Question number F also 1, 2, 3. Three terms, right? So this is also your trinomial, okay? So now you understood the concept of monomial, binomial and trinomial. I hope this is clear, right? I have left question G, H, I. So kindly do it as a homework, okay? G, H and I will be your homework, okay? So class, that's all for today's online tutorial session, okay? We will see on the next Saturday from exercise 5.4, okay? We will start from 5.4 in the next class, okay? Kindly write the notes in your notebook very nicely. Try to study, listen the explanation. How many times you want, you can listen from the YouTube channel, okay? Is that clear? So, thank you.